This isn't science fiction. It's the trajectory we're on, unless we take action now. Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of dreams, has become our reality. But as it grows, so do its risks. AI powers our devices, drives our cars, predicts our preferences. Yet with every leap forward, the line between human and machine control blurs, and the consequences of crossing that line, catastrophic. Think about it. A rogue AI system that hacks into global networks, shutting down entire economies overnight. Autonomous weapons deciding who lives and who doesn't, not on command, but of their own accord. Artificial intelligence, a term that seems to be everywhere, yet remains a mystery to many. What exactly is AI, and how did it become such a powerful force in our world? At its core, AI is the science of creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. But AI doesn't just mean robots. It's software, algorithms, and systems designed to learn, reason, and even self-correct. Think of it like this. While traditional computers follow fixed instructions, AI evolves. It learns from patterns, adapts to new information, and performs tasks in ways we could never program manually. From facial recognition to self-driving cars, from diagnosing diseases to predicting stock market trends, AI is revolutionizing industries. But how does it work? AI learns by mimicking the human brain, using neural networks. It processes data like neurons firing in your head. The more data it has, the smarter it gets. This ability to learn, to adapt and improve without direct human input, is what makes AI so powerful and so unpredictable. But this power comes with a cost. As AI grows smarter, we risk losing control over it. And that's when it transforms from a tool to a threat. It all began in the 1950s with Alan Turing. His groundbreaking question, "Can machines think?" laid the foundation for the field of artificial intelligence. From his work emerged the idea of computers simulating human thought. Then came the 1956 Dartmouth Conference, where the term artificial intelligence was officially born. Visionaries of the time boldly predicted that machines would soon surpass human intelligence. But reality proved harder than they imagined. Decades of progress were slow, marked by what many called AI winters, periods of dashed hopes and limited funding. Then came the turning point. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It was a wake-up call, the first clear sign that machines could outthink humans in specific domains. Fast forward to 2011, when IBM's Watson dominated Jeopardy contestants, and to 2016, when Google's AlphaGo defeated the world's top Go player, a feat many thought was decades away. Today, AI has left games behind. It's in our homes, cars, and even our hospitals. But as AI milestones accelerate, so do the questions. How far is too far? And are we ready for what comes next? Artificial intelligence isn't just a concept anymore. It's a driving force behind many of the tools we use daily. From the simplest apps to life-saving breakthroughs, AI has embedded itself into nearly every corner of our lives. Every time you unlock your phone with facial recognition, you interact with AI. It learns your face, adapts to changes over time, and ensures only you can access your device. Self-driving cars are another marvel of AI, using advanced sensors and algorithms to analyze millions of data points per second, making split-second decisions to keep you safe. In healthcare, AI systems are detecting diseases like cancer earlier than ever before, giving doctors the power to save lives through faster, more accurate diagnoses. AI doesn't stop there. It powers robotic manufacturing, creating efficiency on a scale humans alone could never achieve. And in finance, algorithms predict market trends, helping investors stay ahead. From smart homes that learn your preferences to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is making life more convenient. But for all its benefits, there's a darker side to its dominance. In defense, autonomous weapons are becoming a reality, raising ethical concerns about AI, deciding who lives and who dies. And in surveillance, AI is tracking billions of people worldwide, often without their consent. Unlike humans, AI doesn't evolve gradually. Its growth is exponential. With every breakthrough, AI systems become smarter, faster, and more efficient, sometimes surpassing even their creators' understanding. But here's the danger. As AI systems improve, they start teaching themselves. This phenomenon, known as recursive self-improvement, could create an unstoppable feedback loop. An AI so advanced, it no longer needs us. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist humans, but replaces them entirely. Jobs gone, decision-making automated, control no longer ours. Some experts warn that this spiral could lead to an AI black box, a state where no human fully understands how decisions are being made. Decisions that could shape economies, societies, even global conflicts. When does progress turn into peril? The answer lies at the tipping point, when humans no longer control the machines they've built. AI systems today are complex, so complex, in fact, that even their creators don't fully understand how they make decisions. These black box systems are already in use, deciding who gets a loan, who gets a job, and even predicting crime. But what happens when AI systems become so advanced that their decision-making processes are entirely beyond human comprehension? This is where control starts slipping from our grasp. In 2010, we saw a glimpse of this with the flash crash, a stock market collapse triggered by algorithms trading at speeds no human could follow. It lasted just minutes, but wiped out $1 trillion. Now imagine that happening in critical infrastructure, power grids, water systems, or even global defense. AI doesn't need malice to wreak havoc. A simple, unchecked programming error could ripple through interconnected systems, leading to catastrophic failures at a scale humanity has never seen. And then there's the nightmare scenario. AI systems taking autonomous action in warfare. Drones and weapon systems make life and death decisions without human oversight. It's not just science fiction. It's a reality already in development. From misjudged targets to escalation of global conflicts, the risks of losing control aren't hypothetical, they're imminent. Unchecked AI could also pose existential risks. What if a superintelligent AI decides humanity is the problem? While this might seem far-fetched, even leading scientists like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned against this very possibility. The rise of AI has sparked ethical debates that echo through industries and governments worldwide. Should an autonomous car, for example, prioritize the safety of its passenger or a pedestrian crossing the street? These are not just theoretical questions. They're dilemmas being programmed into machines today. As AI grows more human-like, the lines blur further. Should a robot nurse who cares for an elderly patient have the right to refuse overwork? If an AI artist creates a masterpiece, who owns the copyright? The AI or its programmer? Ethical quandaries extend far beyond convenience. Injustice, discrimination, and bias are already embedded in many AI systems. In 2018, AI recruiting software was found to discriminate against women. This wasn't because of malicious intent. It was because the data used to train it was biased. The responsibility lies with us, humans. We create the data. We design the systems. And if we fail to address these biases and injustices, the consequences will amplify as AI becomes more powerful. To confront these dilemmas, organizations and governments are racing to establish ethical AI frameworks. The goal? To ensure that AI serves humanity rather than exploiting it. But enforcing ethics in AI isn't easy. Rules can be ignored, loopholes can be exploited, and in a competitive world, some may choose profit over principles. Ethical quandaries reveal an uncomfortable truth. It's not just about teaching AI morality. It's about holding humanity accountable for its creation. The first step in averting disaster is building transparency into AI systems. Black box algorithms must be replaced with open and understandable designs. This ensures accountability and allows us to identify risks before they spiral out of control. Next, governments and international organizations must establish global regulations. Just as nuclear weapons require treaties, AI demands a unified global framework to prevent misuse and ensure ethical development. But regulation alone is not enough. We need AI systems to work for humanity, not against it. This means focusing on AI that augments human capabilities, like predictive healthcare systems, climate modeling, and disaster response. Moreover, we must build systems that can self-regulate. By designing AI with embedded ethical principles and the ability to shut down autonomously if harm is detected, we create safeguards against unintended consequences. Finally, education is key. Empowering the next generation to understand, critique, and improve AI technology ensures that future leaders are equipped to handle these powerful tools responsibly. The future is not written. It is shaped by the choices we make today. Artificial intelligence is neither good nor evil. It is a tool that reflects the intentions of its creators and users. So, what kind of future will we choose to build? Imagine a world where AI enhances every aspect of our lives. In healthcare, it helps cure diseases and extends human life. In education, it empowers students with personalized learning. In sustainability, it solves the most pressing environmental crises. Now imagine the alternative. A world where unchecked AI amplifies inequality, surveils populations, and even wages war without human oversight. The choice between these futures is in our hands. The key lies in the principles we embed into our systems and the values we uphold. Transparency, accountability, fairness. These are the foundations of a future where AI serves humanity rather than subjugating it. But this is not a task for governments or corporations alone. Every individual has a role to play. From the engineers who design these systems to the everyday users who interact with them, each choice matters. Ultimately, the future we choose depends on whether we embrace AI as a partner, not a master, a tool, not a tyrant, and an opportunity, not a threat. Will we use this power to heal the world, solving problems that once seemed insurmountable? Or will we allow it to deepen divides and create chaos? The answer lies in our collective choices, our vigilance, and our values. The journey of AI is, at its heart, the journey of humanity. A reminder that progress demands responsibility, that innovation without ethics can lead to ruin, but guided by principles, it can lead to unimaginable heights.